All right, guys, so Kaspa is down about 25% on the week. So is it time to buy Kaspa, or should we be panicking and selling right now? That's what we're going to be discussing. And if we do jump straight onto the Kaspa chart here, we can see that the price is now 15 cents, 1531. Go away. 1531 here. We can see 25% down on the week, guys. $3.7 billion market cap. On the daily, we are down 5%. 7 days, 25%. Month, we're only down 5%, but the yearly, we're still up 200%. Now, let's take a little look at this chart, all right? So, start of the year, we were at about 3 cents. Then we pumped to about 14 cents, which is actually exactly where we are now. But then we had a pullback, a nice pullback to about 9 or 10 cents. Then we had another run all the way up to 17, pull back down to 9 or 11. Then we had another run all the way up to 21, and now we have a pullback. But guys, look at this chart. Up, down, up, down, up, down, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And could this be a higher low? If we do still hold above 11 cents, guys, this is still a higher high into a higher low, which could be considered very bullish. Now, a lot of people are very bullish on Kaspa, right? They want to buy Kaspa, but they only seem to be extremely bullish when Kaspa is breaking its highs. The market has been pretty crap for the last couple of months, and Kaspa broke its all-time highs. So right now, right, on this week, you have a 25% pullback. This is the perfect opportunity to dollar cost average if you are a long-term holder of Kaspa. I myself personally alerted in my Patreon, which you can access down there in my description, that I bought Kaspa right here. Where was it? I bought Kaspa here at 15 cents right in the panic. I am someone who puts their money where their mouth is, and I buy things when the market is scared. The stuff that I believe in long-term, like Kaspa. I also bought Bitcoin at 49K. I longed Ethereum at $2,300. And if you do want access to this and get these sorts of gains right in the moment when everyone is panicked, there is a link to my Patreon down there in the description. But with Kaspa, I think right now is still an amazing opportunity to dollar cost average. Of course, if you don't believe that Kaspa is going to make it into the bull run, if you don't believe it can go on a run similar to what we saw some other altcoins go on, then it's not a good time to dollar cost average, all right? It's an absolute crap time. It's going to go to zero. But you need to do your own research and decide what you think about these cryptos. Now, at a $3.7 billion market cap, it is not a micro cap coin. There is still a lot of room for downside. But if we compare it to really anything else that is large, like the large top 15, right? Polkadot, for example. Polkadot's done really not much. It has almost no on-chain transactions happening right now. It's at a $7 billion market cap. So it's 2 times higher than where Kaspa is right now. And it actually did reach in the last bull run a $50 billion market cap. So that's about, what, 10? No, 12, maybe even a 15x from where Kaspa sits right now. So $1,000 into $15,000 if Kaspa were to reach Polkadot's high in the last bull run. These are things that are possible, right? Even Dogecoin, a meme coin, managed to hit an $80 billion market cap. 80 billion or 74 billion. That is a monumental rise. That's like a 25x or so for Kaspa from here. Now, of course, that is in a bull run. That is in peak euphoria. That is right at the top. You're not going to catch right at the top. But we do have news of Kaspa coming out with their KRC20 token narrative, which I think is going to be really bullish, right? I do think this is going to be bullish. Once it comes out, what we would hope is that we then see a little narrative happening in the Kaspa ecosystem, which could result in massive moves for Kaspa in the future, right? If a lot of people start to use the chain, just like on Solana, we saw a massive move for meme coins. Let's say Kaspa gets its own meme coin, its own KRC20 meme coin that everyone starts trading. I think this could result in a massive move upwards. So you want to be prepared for that move upwards. You want to be dollar cost averaging if you believe it's going to happen. If you don't believe it's going to happen, do not do it. This is not financial advice. But if you did want to trade and make the best of what could be to come, I would suggest using MARGEX. This is basically one of the only exchanges that you can trade Kaspa, like with leverage, but you can use Kaspa as collateral. So if you are someone who only wants to use Kaspa, and you only want to trade Kaspa, you only want to hold it, or Bitcoin, or USDT, whatever it is, you can actually deposit Kaspa onto MARGEX, then leverage it, you can leverage it with up to 25x leverage. But let's keep the leverage low, like 5x. So if you put $1,000 of Kaspa on here, you can buy $5,000 and wait for the price to move upwards and then generate more Kaspa. Now, of course, you are also giving yourself more risk. But if we do get an altcoin season, if we do get Bitcoin going parabolic again, if we do get out of this fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, I think there is significant upside for Kaspa. Now, again, I could be completely wrong, but I've put my money where my mouth is, and I bought Kaspa when we had our peak fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And now I'm waiting to ride the wave to see if we can continue to make a new higher high. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you do want to sign up to the Patreon or MARGEX, the links are down there in the description. And also MARGEX, you can trade without providing any of your personal details. So you can trade from anywhere in the world. With that said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.